constraint poles in Java. This is my original video, and today's date is 14 May 2020. And so let's start our today's topic, constraint pool in Java SCP. So today's topic is about a string. The string is a very important topic in Java. The string constraint pool. The string constraint pool is all topic is all about the object of string. You can create the strings and initialize the value of the string in memory management or memory location. What is the operation performing the object to the string constraint pool? The process you can define the one by one. The string constraint pool is the process of the object. The process of the object store the memory allocation in different way. It is called as string constraint pool. What is mean by string constraint pools and what is the operation of string constraint pool is the you can discuss about the in this video the SCP. So let's start our SCP. In SCP, the SCP is the define the SCP is the SCP is the defined as the two string. The first one is example of SCP define this two string and create the object of string using new operator and the two different object is create, but the object of reference value is same. The create the string in this the SCP is the two memory location. The first one is heap memory and second one is stack memory. The SCP is the create the heap memory. You can use the new operator in create the memory. Create the object at the time of reference value. The value store is the heap memory. When you can use the two different value at the same object, then the heap memory store the object is the heap memory, and the value of reference value does not change. The same value is the different memory location in heap memory. And in SCP is the related as the object. You can create the object with the literal. The object value store in the memory is inside heap memory, and the memory allocation in the string is the memory allocation inside heap, and they create the separate object to string to the memory is the string memory in SCP. The SCP create the object without new operator. You can create the different same value, then they store the without new operator, and you can access the same value. You can create the new operator in SCP. The SCP is the SCP. The SCP perform the operation is the new operator. One is using new operator and second one is using literals. You can use the new operator. They can use same reference value stored in the different index. But in the SCP you can not use the new operator. You can use the literal. The literal in this the object you can use the literals. It create the new memory. Inside the heap memory, allocate the memory, and in this create the memory inside heap memory, and then store the value of SCP without new operator, that is use the literal. Is the all execution of the process related to object and memory management location. So it is the work of the SCP is the SCP. So in this video you can discuss about the SCP. What is the SCP? What is the perform the work of the SCP? What is the memory management of SCP? In this video you can discuss all about SCP, and SCP is the very important topic in string because it's the all related of the object and memory management process. So it's the very useful video for our string topic. So thank you so much. Our today's topic is end. I will meet on our next video. Thank you so much.